Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Are you getting tired of wearing solid black and white masks like I am? Then you will love the 60-pack multicolor Halidodo face masks. These are really good quality. They are KN95 masks, 5-ply, and they come in a pack with these 6 colors. There are 10 of each, and I love these for so many reasons. First of all, they are some of the highest quality masks I have found. Second, they come individually wrapped, so I can throw one of these in my bag and it stays in perfect condition. And the third reason I love them is the obvious thing of not the color, but the comfort. They fit snugly around my ears and my face. The nose bridge adjusts perfectly so that you get a good, secure fit on your face. It goes behind your ears and you feel like safe when you're wearing these health and safety conscious masks. So I like the colors that they have also. They have some that are good for fall, which we're approaching fall. This is a navy blue, this kind of dark burgundy red, gray, and then they have bright orange, which is also a high vis color if you need high vis in your life. And then there's the light blue and pink, which are such pretty colors that I personally love all the time, but especially in spring. Like I said, if you're tired of wearing just black and white masks and you want to spice it up a little bit, these not only keep you safe, but they're also colorful and fashionable as well. But that's just my point of view.